It's the Bokusu Sakura box, and it's little mochis. Let me double check in the pamphlet. I don't think that's the right one. Alright, so this is, I think, strawberry choco mochi. It's stuffed mochi. It's stuffed with chocolate and it's strawberry flavored. Cool. There we go. It's white chocolate. And it's a very mild strawberry, so like a natural strawberry berry flavor. It's that chewy, bouncy mochi flavor. Sorry, texture. Those are super tasty. I'm sad there's only 2.